All right, so you're probably wondering why we're on my YouTube channel showing you the traffic source. So somebody, I'll show you in a minute, I'm sure you know who it is, states that I pay for fake views and my views come from India and places like that. Well, almost 70% of my views come from YouTube advertising. That's literally YouTube advertising my videos. Almost 7% is people searching, and the main ones you want to look at are direct or unknown and external, because supposedly those are the fake views. If you combine the direct or unknown and the external, still less than 1% of my views would be considered fake, correct? Correct. Now, let's go to why I'm making this video. So you can pause if you want to read all this BS. So basically, he's claiming I'm paying for fake views and others are. I'll be the first to tell you, I'm not paying for fake views, but if somebody else is, I'm not going to let it make me all mad and be like, oh, they're buying fake views. It's none of my business what somebody else spends their money on. But the main thing I wanted to highlight was right here. Whoops. Obviously, this is talking about me. Still don't get why he thinks I live in a trailer park. And why is he worried about me living in a trailer park when he's in Vietnam and can never come to a trailer park? Which it doesn't matter where a person lives. Doesn't matter if they have money or not. Money doesn't make a person smart, and money definitely doesn't make a person good at credit repair. So, not saying I'm rich, not saying I'm poor, but I definitely don't live in a trailer park. And then this part, I just love this part right here. Like I said, y'all can pause it if you want to read it. Apparently, he's getting a lot of fake views too. Oh, only 6% of the people where he's at, Ukraine, are actually watching his videos. So think about that for a second. He's in Vietnam, so the majority of his views should be coming from Vietnam. Only 6%. That's terrible. Anyways, just wanted to show you all this. And that picture is just, that's scary. Anyway, if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.